Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a few things that you need to know for assignment number 3. For homework number 3, you are asked to find a news article that discusses a scientific publication from a popular media source. Science Daily is one of them. Science Daily is a place where you can find news about latest research, but these are not scientific articles. So here I found an article from Science Daily. The title is Key Enzyme Found in Disease-Causing Bacteria Responsible for Heart Valve Diseases. So I know that this is an article that meets the requirement because it was published recently, March 5, 2014, right, in the past 6 months. And this is also an article about a bacterium because it says bacteria in the title. And then when I scroll down further, I see that it actually mentions the name of a bacterium, even though the name may not have been typed in the proper format. Now the author of this article, it tells you that the source is from Virginia Commonwealth University. It doesn't really tell you who the author is here, but if you move your cursor to the bottom, you'll see that the above story is based on this, and the original article was written by this person, Sathya Achia Abraham. So Abraham would be the actual author. You need to find his or her qualification to discuss what qualification makes this article trustworthy to you. So nowadays with the internet, it's very easy to find the resume or curricular vitae for people because they post the information on LinkedIn, for example, and elsewhere. So for this assignment, you also need to make sure that the reported research has been published. And here, for this article, you can tell that it has, because it says, in joint studies published this week in the Journal of Biological Chemistry, right? So it has been published. And if you move to the bottom, you can see that these are the 2 studies that were published jointly. And in order to discuss the scientific method elements for this assignment, you might need to read these original articles, right? And to find these original articles, you just click on the link that's provided on the paper. So please note that when you cite these references, you cannot just copy this and paste this to your essay, because the format here is not exactly like the format that we learned for the class. So when you click on one of this link, it brings you to the actual paper. And when you move your cursor to the experimental procedures section, you can easily find out the independent variable, the dependent variable, control variables, the control group, and treatment group. So it will be very easy for you to discuss these different elements. One last reminder is that you have to write everything into the format of an essay. And finally, if you have any question, you can always email me. But you have to email me at least 2 days before the assignment is due. Good luck.